I'm going to tell you guys the biggest two mistakes day traders make and how to fix them. So let's get right into the video. The biggest, I'll start with the second one. We're having them ranked. The second biggest mistake, in my opinion, with how day traders fail, what mistake they make, is that they trade every single pattern, guys. Every single pattern. They're trading every pattern known to man. Let me clear out my chart real quick just to show you guys. They're trading trend lines. They're trading descending triangles, ascending triangles. They're trading every pattern known to man. And you could probably tell me what pattern you're trading, and I guarantee I'm going to know it because I fell into that same trap, guys. Just like everyone else. I think that's why trading takes a while to learn, because you're trying so many things, and it's okay to try different strategies, but eventually when you hone down, if you're trading real money, in my opinion, and you want to take that step, try to keep it to 1-2 strategies tops, maybe. And obviously it's a long or a short, and then let's say you have 2 strategies. You're trading range breaks, or you're taking range trades. I don't know what you're taking. You're taking higher lows, however it may be. Keep it at two strategies max, in my opinion. Honestly, I started to really turn the corner when I started focusing on one strategy and stopped taking so many different setups. I mean, you guys can ask me about any strategy, any indicator, and I guarantee I probably know what it is. There's a 99% chance I know what you're talking about, because I tried trading everything from trend lines, support and resistance, moving averages, VWAP, everything and anything, TTM, anything and everything. I've tried it, guys, and I would trade all of it. I mean, I would jump from one thing to the next over and over and over. And how to fix this, in my opinion, like how I said earlier, is to really, if you're paper trading, yeah, go ahead, try different strategies. But once you decide, hey, which one do you prefer the most? I would write it down. Which 2 do you prefer the most? That you feel you really see it, you really flow with it. Because everyone trades different strategies. There can be guys who make a killing off trading off VWAP or with VWAP. There could be guys that trade with no indicators. There could be guys that trade with moving averages. There's so many different things. Volume profile. There's so many different things. And people are successful with different things. You know, that it's just, it fits their way they work, in a sense. Like for me, the way I trade, it fits the way I work. It might not work for you, but you could learn from it, and then you could adapt and choose your own strategy. I think that's one of the best things with trading. You could learn from multiple people, and then kind of pick what you like, and eventually you kind of just develop your own strategies, which most of the time kind of happens. And it's hard because you could show people your strategy, but it's not going to work with everyone, because everyone's different. Everyone has different preferences, the way they see the market, the way they see price action. So they might not actually be able to trade the strategy, but they might be able to take something from it, which is kind of what I did. I took things, parts and pieces from many different people, because nothing really worked for me until I just started trading my own flow, and that's kind of how I ended up transgressing. I don't even know if that's a word, but that's how it ended up going. But that's one of the biggest mistakes, guys. Don't be trading a bull flag, an ascending triangle, descending triangle, trend line break, moving out. Don't stick to 1-2 patterns. Honestly, just stick to one. What's your favorite pattern? What do you see the most? What do you feel like you have the best results with? Stick with that pattern, and that's going to lead us into the number one biggest mistake day traders make, is they trade with real money before they're even ready, guys. How do you expect to trade with real money in the beginning? It takes people years to learn day trading. So how do you expect to trade with real money and expect to actually make money in the beginning? You have to start small. You have to just start honestly on paper. In my opinion, when I first started trading, I was just watching charts. For a while, I just watched charts. And when I started, honestly, I started a little bit too big. And it kind of put me in a hole. And that's why I would honestly recommend you, if you're watching the video, you're new, guys, literally just watch the charts. Don't even take trades. Just watch the charts. You could still draw on them, whatever. You could still plot on them, do your charting. You could do all of that. Just watch the charts. Don't take real trades till honestly you know what you're doing. It takes so long to actually know what you're doing. I wish I didn't trade my first 2 years of trading. I wish I never traded my first 2 years of trading. I wish I just watched the market. That's one of the biggest things, but also it taught me a lot of things, because trading with real money is so much different than trading on a demo account, trading paper. It's so different, because trading with real money, the emotions are there. No matter if you have the systematic setup, systematic sells, when you're trading with real money, it's very hard to follow it. It's so different. But it makes you kind of focus so much more. When you're in a trade, you're really focusing on that action, in my opinion. So how to fix that? By what's the biggest mistake? Risking too much money too soon and just not starting on paper. The biggest mistake day traders make, in my opinion. And to fix that, I would just start by paper trading. Don't take actual trades, or just watch the charts and don't take trades. Because, guys, trading is so incredibly hard. It's one of the hardest things, honestly, in the world, I feel like. So just a little recap. The two biggest mistakes day traders make. Number 2 is they trade every pattern they see. And how to fix this is I would pick 1 or 2 strategies and just trade those and focus in on those. If it doesn't work, then you could kind of switch it around. But try to focus in on those for like 3 months, honestly, in my opinion. And the number 1 mistake traders make is they risk too much too soon. And I just see that all the time. People just blowing up their accounts. Guys, the way to turn the corner in trading, in my opinion, is you have to stay in this game long enough to turn that corner. Because at the end of the day, it takes time to learn trading. I don't understand how you guys can think you could make money from home or make money on the side of your job just that easy. If everyone could do it, if it was some sort of easy way to do it, everyone would do it. It would be the easiest thing in the world. I mean, what would be the point of trying to learn it? Everyone could do it. So it's hard, guys. But if you stay in the game long enough, guys, you can turn that corner eventually. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and share this with someone.